having the egg run through the rice is amazing. You know what it reminds me of? Like a creamy rice. Super creamy rice. Good morning everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in freezing Tokyo, Japan. It's 7 a.m. right now and I'm taking you to eat breakfast at Yoshinoya. This is a multinational fast food chain that originated here in Tokyo in the year 1899 and they serve beef bowls. Huge bowls with beef, rice, egg, some herbs. They have a huge menu. I'm super excited. I was told by my friend Sam that I had to come here and try this. And yeah, I mean, there's two things you can do for breakfast. You can either come to this place or you can go to a convenience store and get some breakfast from there. I already did that, so I'm done with convenience stores for breakfast. I'm gonna try some Yoshinoya beef bowls. Let's go inside and eat. All right, so right when we walk in, they serve us some tea. Oh my God. It's so cold right now. It's like -3 Celsius. And here's the menu. Let's see, they have this list of bowls is crazy. What are we getting today? I'm definitely getting a beef bowl. The restaurant motto is tasty, low priced, and quick. And as you can see, it's only like, what is it, $6.90, $7.90. So it's like $7 US for a big beef bowl. Wow. And by the way guys, I'm talking very low because I'm hearing there's a lot of people, and here in Japan, privacy is a huge thing. So like I can't even like really shoot anybody eating or anything. So be really respectful. Which one do you recommend? This one. This is good? Egg and okay. Extra large big? Large, good. Yeah. Okay, so they have medium, large, extra large. Oh my God. I'm going with large. Perfect. Here, I got that. So that's the one I went with. Basically, it's like a Japanese diner. Very small. I mean, there's like, I don't know, like 25 seats here. It's like a bar style. And the guy, literally the waiter just walks through the middle, gives you a menu, and that's it. And this green tea is like perfect to like warm me up because it's so freaking freezing outside. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, it's separate. So here we have it. Huge beef bowl. Got some onions, and under it's rice. And then next to it we have some egg. And then this, I don't know exactly what this is, a bunch of herbs with like maybe some soy sauce. Okay, so grab some chopsticks. Do a little thing here with chopsticks. Let's try some of this beef. Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice beef. Very juicy, very fatty. Lots of flavor. The sticky rice is like sushi rice. And what they were telling me to do is to put everything on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on top and then the egg. Nice. It's like scallions with like, I don't know, some nice sauce and the egg right there. So yeah, that was easy. Just put everything on top, pop the yolk. The yolk like just ran through everything. It's so much flavor in this bowl. And it's super cheap. I got the large and I spent $6.50. It's not bad. The egg yolk running through that rice. Super sticky. And then you have a lot of this beef. You know, breakfast is not a big thing here in Japan, but this is like one of the top places to go to eat breakfast. I don't know why that is. They don't really have a breakfast culture, but ooh, look at that. So much flavor in this bowl. Tasty, low price, and quick. I mean, I literally sat here and in 1 minute after ordering, I had my bowl. Oh, look at that. Oh man, this is delicious. Having the egg run through the rice is amazing. You know what it reminds me of? Like a creamy rice. Super creamy rice. So I mean, in terms of beef, they don't give you so much beef. It's basically the top layer, and the rest of it's just rice. But having the yolk run through it really brings out a lot of flavor. And I mean, it's a lot of rice. But again, it's cheap, it's fast, it's convenient, and it's breakfast. And once you're done like eating all the beef, you put the chopsticks down. Grab a spoon, huge spoon. You see all this. So freaking tasty. A regular diner in America doesn't have this type of taste. And I love how big the selection is because it's not just this bowl. There's like a lot of bowls. There's some that are more soupy. This one's just rice with beef. They also have like salmon with beef bowl with a miso soup and rice. So they have a variety here, right? So it's not just one beef bowl. By the way, I got the large. I think I should have the medium because Basically, just a lot more rice. This is exactly what I needed for breakfast. So much rice, I need to add some soy sauce. Oh yeah, way better with the soy sauce. Just brings out so much flavor in the rice. Feels like the rice is absorbing all the egg yolk and all the soy at the same time. $6.50, basically $6. I'm extremely full. Okay, so we did it. We had a huge beef bowl here at Yoshinoya. Sorry guys, I'm trying to think. It's really early. It's really cold. I literally took like 15 minutes from the second I got there. I ate and I left 15 minutes. That was how long it took to eat there. That's why their motto, tasty, low price, and quick. I mean, they really abide by that rule. It's like super tasty, it's super low price, and it's quick. And my God, it's freezing. And something I gotta tell you guys is that here in Japan, you gotta be careful. I mean, people don't like being filmed, so you do it very quietly, or you just don't do that at all. I have to get a few shots there so you can see what it looks like, but you gotta be really respectful. I don't want to like invade anybody's privacy. Here we go, vending machine galore. Let's see, coffee. This is hot. I like cold. Black, cold coffee. Blue is cold. Red is hot. So it's 1:30. So I got one. Coffee. Oh, this coffee is so strong. It's really cold. Wonderful coffee. Ooh, it's potent. It's not potent, it's pungent. It just like hits you really hard. After getting super energized by my coffee, I looked at my watch and it said I had like a 3-hour break between now and my food tour. So I decided, you know what, let me walk about 30 minutes east to the Tokyo Skytree. Tallest tower in Tokyo, second tallest tower in the world. There's an observation deck up there, there's a restaurant. I think you guys need to see it. I want to see it. Let's cross the street and let's see if we can go up to the observation deck. Follow me. Just crossed the bridge. That was extremely cold. There was so much wind hitting me on that bridge, but it's all good. I made it past it. As you can see, the tower is getting taller and taller. I mean, obviously we're just getting closer and closer, but it's so tall, 2,000 feet. I'm a huge fan of skyscrapers. I love this stuff. I love going to super tall towers that have observation decks. It's just an amazing way to see the city, and obviously it's part of the top attractions in each city. Like this is probably #1 for Tokyo, so we have to go, right? Like, can't miss this. Come on, let's go up there. The Tokyo Skytree opens at 8 a.m., closes at 10 p.m., but the final entrance is at 9 p.m. And I'm going up to the 4F, to the ticket sale counter. Oh man, I can't wait. And I don't know the price, so I'll tell you guys now how much it costs, but I'm sure it's not cheap. It's probably gonna be like $25 US minimum. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Have a nice day. Thank you, arigato. The ticket for the observation deck costs 2,060, and that goes to the Tembo deck. But if you want to go to the higher observation deck, that's the Tembo Gallery, you have to pay like another 1,000 yen once you get up there. You can't buy that ticket down here. You have to get up there, and then you can buy the ticket to go even higher. I think I'm good with this. I don't need to go even higher. We're going to 350 meters, and the other one's 450 meters. You know, it's 100 meters higher, so 300 feet higher. But I think we're good with this. I mean, it's probably a similar view. So let's go. It takes 50 seconds to get to the top.
Next up is the Tokyo Skytree Tembo Deck, floor 350.
My ears popped. Hello, wow. Here we go. Wow, what a beautiful observation deck. 350 meters high. Whoa, looking over all of Tokyo. Crazy. Whoa, this is amazing. This is crazy. This is really, really, really impressive. I love the observation deck. Lots of space here. Huge windows, as you can see, probably 30, 40 feet high. And yeah, I mean, you can walk around the entire thing and see so many different views of Tokyo. Like, wow, just gorgeous. And they have these like interactive maps right here. So you could see there's like time lapses. You could also see points of interest. Must visit when you come to Tokyo. So right here behind us, we have Mount Fuji, which is an active volcano. You can see it's right there. I'm actually going there in around 5 days. right now we're going down to level 345. The escalators to go down is right here next to the cafe. Thank you so much. And here we go. I guess this is like a smaller platform, bottom level. The one on top is a little bigger. I think it's like an extra 10 feet higher. And yeah, just more amazing views. They also have a shop here. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can buy something for my daughter. So level 345 basically has a little shop, and they have the Masashi Sky restaurant. And that restaurant basically takes up half this floor. And now I'm going down to level 340, and then from here I can get the elevator straight down, hopefully. The exit's here, exit. And here on level 340, we also have this like glass floor. And as you see, there's only 2 like levels of glass between me and the sky. Crazy. Oh my god, let me get out of here. And there we go, guys, we did it. We had a delicious beef bowl for breakfast at Yoshinoya, and then we came here to the Tokyo Skytree, the tallest tower in Tokyo, second tallest tower in the world. We came to the 350 observation deck, had incredible views. I mean, this is something you have to do when you come to Tokyo. And if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel adventure in Japan. Peace.